Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm gonna make a mixture of muri and চানাচুর মানে হচ্ছে আজকে ঝালে ঝুলে চানাচুর এটা বানাতে যাচ্ছি। আপনাদেরকে দেখাচ্ছি যে আমি কিভাবে মুড়ি বানাই এবং মুড়ি বানানোর সাথে সাথে আমরা কিছু ইংরেজি প্র্যাকটিস করব, ঠিক আছে? So let's get it started. First I will take a bowl. So I will mix the muri and chanachur and everything in this bowl, okay? So first we are gonna learn the English of muri. So what is this? What is this? Muri, right? So yeah, look at this. এটা দেখেন, দেখার পরে মনে থাকবে। So muri. So the English of muri is puffed rice. Look at this. What is this? Puffed rice. Okay? English of muri is puffed rice. Then we will mix chanachur. English of chanachur is chanachur. Okay? So I will take some puffed rice in this bowl. Yeah? So I am pouring some puffed rice. I am pouring puffed rice. Is this enough? Okay, this is enough. And then I will take some chanachur. So I am pouring some chanachur. Look at this. This is chanachur. I am pouring some chanachur. Then I will mix some coriander. So what is coriander? Dhania pata. So this is chopped coriander. Chopped means কুচি কুচি করে কাটা হলে এটাকে চপ বলে। So chopped coriander. All right? Chopped coriander. Yep. And then I will mix some green chili. So these are green chili, chopped green chili, okay? Green chili. I am mixing green chili. Green chili means kacha moric. Then I will mix some onion. Onion মানে কি? পেঁয়াজ. But this is chopped onion. This is chopped onion. So I will mix some chopped onion. And this is lemon, right? So I will take some juice of lemon. Yep. The last ingredient for this jhale jhule muri is chickpeas. So this is chickpeas. The Bengali meaning of chickpeas is chana boot or chula boot. ঠিক আছে? All right. So I am mixing some chickpeas. What's the name of this one? Chickpeas. Okay? All right. Now I will mix a pinch of salt. So a pinch of salt, ek chimti lobon, ektu lobon, a pinch of salt. All right. Then the last ingredient is সরিষার তেল. So the English of সরিষার তেল is mustard oil. What's the English of সরিষার তেল? Mustard oil. So I will mix some mustard oil. This is the most important thing, important element, important ingredient for jhal muri, isn't it? So I love this very much with jhal muri. This is enough. So I have taken all the ingredients in this bowl Now it's time to mix it up, all right? So I will mix up everything here. I will use this spoon. This is a spoon. Yep. So I will mix this everything with this spoon, okay?